With just one little USB, you're going to be able to change your TV from looking like this into something like this. One of these little USB drives from Dream Screens hold over 500 iconic pictures of paintings that just by plugging this into your TV will automatically either play or can be used as a still frame. The one you're viewing right now is the widescreen edition, so the proportions are stretched so that it can fill the entire TV, that when I push on my universal remote here can go between a variety of paintings that you may have seen over the course of history. The non-widescreen one will maintain its proportions so that it's going to have some black on the side, but you're going to be able to see the entirety of each one of them. The company sent me all three of these in exchange for a review, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to use. I've already showed you the proportions of the widescreen and the non. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you the process of installing this one and showing you what the borders look like. On the back of your TV with any USB spot, you're going to want to take your USB with the text facing away from the house of the TV, and you're going to plug it in there. And then you're going to get a prompt. And if you want to view the photos, and all you have to do is click yes on the remote. And after loading for a couple seconds, you're going to be able to choose on either the browse photos function, and then they're going to all load up there for you. It does take a second to load. Let me show you the frames while we're here. So this is also going to stretch it out all the way. Don't worry about this prompt in the bottom. That will disappear after it's been sitting there for a second. I'm going to back up so you can get a true view on this. Automatically, just by not having that disgusting black glare that you get with TVs when they're off and you have lights from a different direction, this automatically makes it look instantly better. The slideshow function works exactly like you would expect it to. After a duration of time, it's just going to go between all of the 500 plus images. And of course, in your settings, you have the opportunity to change things like the amount of seconds it takes between switching to each frame and whether or not you want to have transitions between. They do come with their own carrying case, and I want to say that these will work pretty much with any smart television, and it's really important to drive home that you don't need any kind of subscriptions. You don't have to have Wi-Fi access. This could be completely untethered from the internet, and it will still work perfectly fine. Every image on there is 4K resolution, and I think it's a very easy way to make it so you can have that boring TV actually doing something for you if you have parties and other events that maybe you don't want to include the TV.